key learning is whatever I do is with a good faith. Main thing is that in financial sector, the risk is associated with the finance money. So whatever you do with good faith. And second thing is that transparency. Whatever you do with whatever decision you take, be transparent with the customer, with the client, so that it will helps to grow more, as well as whatever the investments are, uh, customer always must have the knowledge about it. Many times what happens, the customer don't have the knowledge even though they have good amount of investment. Since I have example that since many year customer even don't know that they have amount of investment invested in the certain products. So the two learning is that whatever you do is good faith, do with the transparency, and that be humble with your customer. That's it. Growth in this sector is immense. And second thing is that financial inclusion in the rural India has a very good opportunity, as well as in this business there is a no location barrier. You can do business anywhere. As well as you can do something new in your life. You can be creative. These are the, and as well as there is a there is a many loopholes in the services by the certain intermediary, as well as certain members. So there are you can, if you have very good services, uh, you are a very good services provider, then you can do very good in this business. So this motivates me. The main thing is growth, financial inclusion in the rural India. Location barrier is no there, and if you are good service provider, you can do very well. So in terms of create a client, when it comes to convert into the technology client, if it is the thing that you convert your customer to a, by providing the knowledge, by discussing. But when it comes to the technology, to create a clients, to create a switch transaction, to create a STP transaction, SWP transaction, it helps me a lot. It takes a few seconds to do the things. As well as if you want to grow, then you have to continuously change the portfolio of the customer. Then who helps? BSC Star FM helps these certain things. So that, as well as the backend service team of BSC is very strong. They are helping each and every points, as well as they are where they have types. So I think that it helps me a lot to grow, because in this business there is a no location barrier. I don't even met the customer, but on their providing of the KYC, I can easily transact on the same day, and I can grow with the same day.